Hey guys, I'm Dan, one of the co-founders here at Meet-Ting. This video is about connecting and using WhatsApp, which is a really quick and easy way to work with Ting. So if you haven't already added WhatsApp in the sign up and onboarding process, just go to the account section and have a look in here, and then you can add your number, click that button, and then you'll get a message from Ting and connect your WhatsApp account. So as long as you've done that, you can jump straight into WhatsApp. So here you can see I've got a WhatsApp open with Ting. You can ask basic things like what's my schedule, what's my agenda, or more complicated things like when can I find 2 hours of free time on Monday for important meetings. So I'm going to send that message right now. And now what Ting is going to do is analyze your calendar and your availability and give you some advice and recommendations. So you can ask any questions you like about your schedule. You can also ask it to manage meetings. For example, I want to meet with Dan Portillo.com next week, anytime. And now what Ting is going to do is reach out to Dan for you via email and just make sure that happens. You'll always be copied into that email to make sure that you're aware what's happening, but either check your schedule, manage your guests. You can also say, hey, Ting, let all my guests know I'm going to be late for my next meeting, and Ting will handle that for you. So WhatsApp is a great place if you're on the move or you just want some quick advice or you want to manage your calendar from mobile. So yeah, really simple, really easy. Let us know. Hopefully even more features coming soon.